3.6. You figure your timing chains have this much play in them. That's going to throw off a lot of your timing. I mean, it's going to throw codes left and right. Look at that. It's going to be bouncing around back and forth, both of them. This one here, look at that. It's way stretched beyond the timing chain tensioner. It can no longer keep it tight. So your cams, both of them, are going to be fighting each other, going back and forth like that. And that's throwing off your timing. As it's running, it's going like this. So you can imagine how your engine's running in different positions, you know? It's unbelievable how these timing chains stretch like that. But when they break, they'll wipe out all your valves. You'll end up putting a $5,000 engine in here. Get these things changed before it breaks, because it will break. Imagine it going back and forth like that all the time. Eventually, it's going to break something, or it's going to fall off and wipe out your valves. Best thing I can say is give me a PM and I'll set you up for an appointment and we'll get you all brand new again.